Alright, so binuksan na nga ang The Portal dito sa BGC, Taguig, Metro Manila. This is in High Street. This is 6th portal na binuksan nila around the world. Meron ito sa USA, UK, Ireland, Poland, Lithuania. Itong pinapakita natin dito is 24/7 video streaming. So yung location is nagpapalit-palit yan. Pinapakita yung different locations na meron yung installation ng art portal across the globe. So ito tayo, nasa BGC. Dito rin naman tayo nag-work na malapit. Vilnius is in Lithuania. So kung gusto nyong makita tong The Portal, 24/7 streaming, dito lang yan sa Bonifacio, Global City, High Street, 5th Avenue. So that's it guys. Thank you. This is Pawn Walks. Please like it and subscribe. Thank you very much.